some proven methods to generate ideas. Design thinking, scamper, mind mapping, reverse thinking, lateral thinking. These tools can help structure your creative process and turn ideas into reality. We will get into more details for each of them. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to problem solving that includes 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Empathize means to understand the user's needs and experiences through observation and interaction, key to building genuine insights. Define is to clearly articulate the problem you are solving for the user. This involves synthesizing gathered information into a clear problem statement. Ideate is the phase of generating a wide range of ideas and solutions. Encourage creativity and out-of-the-box thinking during brainstorming sessions. Prototype involves creation of scaled-down versions of the product or specific features. This helps in exploring solutions and learning from failures early. Test implies evaluation of prototypes with users to gather feedback. Iterate based on insights to refine and improve the solution. Scamper is a method to modify and improve existing ideas. The acronym stands for substitute is replacing part of the product with something else. For example, use biodegradable materials instead of plastic for the coffee cup. Combine is merging 2 or more elements to create something new. For example, combine the coffee cup with a phone charger. Adapt is adjusting or modifying an existing product. For example, adapt the coffee cup, designed to include a built-in straw for easier drinking. Modify is changing the shape or size of the product. For example, modify the coffee cup to have a wider base for better stability. Put to another use is finding new uses for the product. For example, use the coffee cup as a plant pot once it's no longer needed for drinks. Eliminate is removing unnecessary parts to simplify the product. For example, eliminate the handle of the coffee cup for a sleek design. Reverse is about rearranging or turning processes upside down for fresh insights. For example, you could use Scamper to redesign a coffee cup and combine it with a phone charger. Mind mapping is a visual brainstorming tool that connects ideas and concepts around a central theme. This method encourages creative thinking and helps visualize complex relationships between different components of a plan. Here's how to use it. To use mind mapping, start with a central idea in the middle of the page. Branch out with related subtopics, using colors, images, and keywords to enhance understanding. Use colors, images, and keywords. For example, when mapping out a business plan, the central idea could be business plan, with branches for market analysis, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operations plan. Reverse thinking is about starting with the desired outcome and working backward. Here's how. Define the goal by clearly articulating the desired outcome you want to achieve. This sets the direction for the reverse thinking process. Determine the last step that needs to be completed to reach the goal. This helps in visualizing the end result. Outline each preceding step that leads to the final outcome. Working in reverse order. This uncovers the necessary actions to take. Evaluate the practicality of each step identified. This ensures that the proposed actions are realistic and achievable. For example, plan a product launch by starting with the launch date and working backward. Lateral thinking involves solving problems through unconventional approaches, enabling innovative solutions. Key principles include challenging assumptions, which allows individuals to break free from traditional thought patterns. Exploring multiple perspectives can lead to unique insights and alternative solutions to problems. Using random stimuli to spark ideas can encourage creative thinking and lead to unexpected outcomes. For example, use a paperclip to brainstorm new product features. As we reach the conclusion of the second part, let's put your knowledge to the test with the following quiz. Indicate one answer you consider to be the correct one by clicking on one of the 4 options.